What you should know when purchasing an automated California Title 22 swimming pool system. There are people claiming their systems are approved in all counties when some do not allow automation for Title 22 compliance for daily recording free chlorine, pH and temperature. Also note that ppm calculated from ORP and pH is not free chlorine and is rarely accurate when conditioner is used. The only free chlorine measurement specified in the code is DPD testing. Remember when approved VGB drain covers were recalled? Many systems claiming Title 22 compliance are merely window dressing on old ORP pH systems. Because we have taken the time to consult with various health departments throughout the state, we have engineered our system to comply with the law, by adhering to the code language plus implementing what individual counties want, instead of trying to make the code compliant with the system. We can give you automated DPD-free chlorine, pH and temperature measurements with easy access data and 2 years of storage or unlimited data online. More information can be found at poolwordandtraining.com or call us at 530-762-1627.